Achegasong! Achegasong! Nyautrabasong! First of all, I would like to begin by thanking the organization KOMSO in collaboration with our brother. I wouldn't say people of Garo, but you are our same brethren because we are living in the same state. Just now I got one WhatsApp message saying that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya announced that they postponed the GHA-DC election. That is the one achievement to the Garo people. Secondly, I would like to repeat that remember that we will stand for our right, but this is the high time that we will snatch our right, but we will not back for our right. It is true or not? Yes. Yes. We should understand that this history repeat again. In 20 June 1952, the same thing happened when they nominate 3 non-tribal in Khasi Hill and Jaintia Hills, Autonomous District Council. So since I am giving my friends, they told me to give a short speech. But the main thing I want to say to my brother, that we will stand united as we are here to protect our motherland. Because you have seen those so-called Bangladesh or alien, they rape our mother, but our leader, they forgot, they neglect. So we, as the youth of the Meghalaya, it is our duty to protect our motherland. Am I right? Yes! So are you ready to fight? Yes! I know we don't have gun, but we have with hand and fist. Like Garo people in 1829 and 1833, along with THER TIENG, they fought together and chased away the British. Will do the same to chase all these animal immigrants. Come on, stop. We will not surrender. And I'll speak in Hindi to those illegal immigrants right now, face to face. ये राज्य कोई अंजू पंजू का राज नहीं है, क्योंकि ये एक शेर का राज है। पन्ना पन्ना छांट के देखो 1829 से 1833 तक तुम लोग ने आंख में हाथ लगाया, देख अब क्या होगा। I convey this message to the government, to the Meghalaya Demonic Alliance. I have seen through different notification that you seek help from the Indian Army. Remember, Indian Army are to protect the country, not to protect the internal battle of our right. This is our clear message, and I would like to say once again, so like I said just now, Achegasong and Nyotrap, we are brothers. Let's say the same at the same time. Tangbachina. Achegasong! Nyotrapasong! Leishibun, Shihajarngo, Mitala.